Hey everybody, today I'm doing an unboxing of the HP Pavilion All-in-One 27-R014. This is a 10-point touch-enabled 27-inch widescreen, FHD, backlit edge-to-edge display, 7th generation Intel Core i7, 7700T processor, 12 gigabytes DDR4, 2400 SD RAM. It's got 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM SATA hard drive, plus 16 gigabyte Intel Optane memory for storage acceleration. It's wireless and Bluetooth 4.2. The wireless will take A, B, G, N, or AC. It's got an HP Privacy HD camera, HP finish in Blizzard White, 3-in-1 media card reader, 1 USB 3.1, 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.1 Type-C, HDMI out, HDMI in, Intel HD graphics 630, DVD writer, white wireless keyboard with volume control and optical mouse, B&O Play, that's Bang & Olufsen, 1-year limited hardware warranty. It's got Windows 10 Home, and it's got a trial of McAfee LifeSave, which I will delete right away. Alright, so without further ado, let's check this guy out. Let's see what we got inside. Here we've got setup instructions, warranty stuff. Here's the power cable, and a tiny Allen wrench. Some packaging materials. Here we've got the keyboard. White wireless keyboard, number pad on the side. White wireless mouse. 4 AAA batteries. Here's the USB dongle to get your wireless connection for your keyboard and mouse. Here's the all-in-one. This is the back side of it. Got it from the front. And that's everything that comes in the box. So on the bottom here, we've got sort of a cloth feel. So right there, we've got a switch that you can slide back and forth to open or close the webcam. So you can have it in privacy mode if you're not using it. Here's a closer look at the mesh. HP logo. And we got the Bang & Olufsen logo. So in the back here, we've got power port. Here's the for Ethernet, 2 HDMI, 1 in, 1 out, and your 4 USB ports. I'll try it out, let you know what I think. So here's what the all-in-one looks like when it's set up. It's got a really nice picture. You can see behind there, just 1 cord. Not a lot of clutter. There's the wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. If you got a lot of clutter in your house and you don't like it, this is a great system for you. Now this is a touchscreen, which I rarely use with this one because I don't know, I just don't need to. I generally use touchscreen with a laptop, but not with the PC. But it's nice to have it there, especially if you're using this in a commercial application. So that's what it looks like. I forgot to show you during the setup where the DVD drive is, so let me pull that up for you. This PC, eject, and it's right over here on the side. Also, I can show you the tilt to this screen. It's got a pretty decent tilt to it, so that's it all the way tilted back, which will help to get to some of the things underneath, which you have a USB-C, and you also have headphone jack and an SD card reader under there. Power button, that's to change the active port. There you have it. Now the only downside to this PC that I would say is for gaming. It doesn't have a dedicated video card. It's built in, so it's roughly equivalent to like maybe an NVIDIA GT 610 or 620, something like that. It's for any newer games, it's gonna run slow or maybe even mess up. So If you want this for gaming, I wouldn't recommend it for that. But for just about any other purpose, I think it's a great PC. Beautiful screen, it's got power, it's got a lot of storage. So I love it. It works for what I need it for, and I think it's a good value. You can get it at Best Buy. You can see the price right there. That's the current retail price. So I thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe so you can catch all my other videos, and I'll talk to you later.